Unleash the power and beauty of your PC with G.Skill Trident Z Neo series RAM. This 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR4-3600 kit delivers blazing fast speeds and stunning customizable RGB lighting. Experience seamless gameplay and effortless multitasking with CL16-19-19-39 timings. Optimized for AMD Ryzen 3000 and Intel Z390 and newer motherboards. Personalize your RGB lighting using G.Skill Trident Z lighting control software or your motherboard software. Upgrade your system today. Visit the product page to learn more and order yours now. Don't settle for average performance. Choose G.Skill Trident Z Neo.